Hi, welcome back. So we are on day 7. So today we are going to do another walk. I'm changing it up a little bit. We are doing a 15-second faster walk, and then we're going to slow it down for 15 seconds. So we're going back and forth. I want you to work as hard as you can during those 15 seconds of walking fast, and then slow it down, allow your heart rate to come down a little bit and bring it back up again. We're doing some interval training. It is great for the heart, for the body, for burning calories and shocking the body a little bit to doing something different. Okay, let's get started. A bit of a walk. We're just gonna do a gentle walk. Start off with a gentle walk for now. Just warming up that body. Bringing the arms back and forth, loosening up the arms. Finding the pace that works for you. So if I'm going too fast or too slow, just cater it to yourself, okay? Do what works best. Let's just bring one arm up, one arm down, alternating. So if you can't bring your arm all the way up, that's totally okay. Just bring it as high as what is comfortable for you. Okay, bringing both of those arms down. Let's bring the shoulders back. One more time. Bring those arms back and forth again. Okay, let's go into a bit of a heel tap. So bring one heel forward, opposite hand goes forward. Excellent. Now let's just tap our foot out to the side. You can bring your hand to the side as well. Back into a walk. So we are doing interval training today. We are doing 15 seconds of a bit of a faster pace, slowing it down for 15 seconds. So just going back and forth, trying to get that heart rate up, bringing it back down a little bit. So during the 15 seconds of working harder, I want you to go at a faster pace that you find comfortable, okay? Comfortable and safe for you. So when we get started, I'll explain a little bit more as we get into it. So let's bring our heels forward again, pressing the arm forward this time. Okay, let's bring our foot out to the side. And we're gonna get started with going a little bit faster in about 15 seconds. Back into a march. Okay, so ready? So I want you to go as fast as you can comfortably and go. So walking fast, but safe. Keep going. All right, slow it down. So now just a natural walk. Whatever pace you normally walk at, that's what I want you to do at the moment. Okay, for 15 seconds. Then we're gonna bring it up again. Okay, ready and go. So a faster pace. Go, 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 go. And back to your normal pace. So we're just going back and forth. You will start to breathe heavier for sure. Just making sure that if you find it too much, and ready and go. So faster. Come on. You can do it. And slow it down again. So if you find that you're out of breath, that you just can't do it again for the next 15 seconds, just go at a slower pace for the next 15-second block and then come back into it when you're ready, okay? And go. Seconds. And back to a normal pace again. Good. So you're probably getting a little bit out of breath maybe. It depends on where you're at. If you're finding it way too easy, then just pick up that pace. You can even do a really light jog if you're able, and go. So when I say a light jog, I just mean like this, okay? But only if you are at that stage. So walking fast and regular pace. Good. Okay, taking a deep breath in and breathing out. One more deep breath in and out. Just in time to go fast again. So go, 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 go. Almost there, almost there. Okay, regular pace again. Those 15 seconds go by pretty quickly. All right, and ready, set, go. Pump those arms as well if you can. Helps you to walk faster. And regular pace. Again, deep breath in and breathing out. Okay, and 3, 2, 1, and go. So just remember, this is a short class, 15 minutes. You can handle it for the 15 minutes. If you're finding it too much, then just slow that pace down. And back to a regular pace. Deep breath in, big breath out. And go. You got this, come on, keep going. Regular pace. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Come on. And regular pace again. So about 20 years ago, I was trying to lose weight. At the time, I was probably about 20 pounds heavier than I am now. And I started doing interval training. Okay, we're gonna go again and go. So go fast. Three, 2, 1, and regular. So I started doing interval training and it worked really well with burning a lot more calories than normal. It shocked my body. I think it wasn't used to doing the faster and slower, and I found it really worked for me. And go. So at that time I was just jogging from one telephone pole to another, just very, very slowly. And then I would walk, and then I'd pick another telephone pole that I would walk to. Go, 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 and walk. And I would just, you don't have to have the exact amount, like you don't have to do it exactly a minute, or it's totally up for what works for you. You can do it for the 15 seconds and then walk for 30 seconds, go faster for 15. You just cater it to whatever works for you and go. But it really does shock the body because often we kind of do the same thing all the time for our workouts, or a lot of people do. They just go for walks and do the same kind of walk, going at the same pace. But if you shock your body into doing, and regular walk again, if you shock your body into doing different workouts, it works much better. Okay, 5 more seconds. And go. So fast walk, go, go, go. Fast walk, whatever that fast walk is for you. It may be half the pace of what I'm doing, it may be faster than what I'm doing, but it really has to be whatever works for you. Back to a regular walk. Taking a deep breath in and breathing out. Okay, and go. Pumping those arms. And regular walk. So I highly recommend trying this out even when you're walking, you know, if you're going to the grocery store or whatever, walking to the store, walking somewhere, go faster for a little bit and then go at a slower pace. And it's time again, go. Keep going, we're almost there. And walk. Deep breath in and out. It's a good one too for just waking up, for energizing you. You know, it gives you energy going faster. And go. And regular pace. We're almost done. It goes by pretty quickly. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and go. Three, 2, 1, and regular walk. Okay, deep breath in and breathing out. We're gonna do 1 more minute and go. Come on, you're almost done. Fast, 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 fast. And regular pace. So 1 more time, and then we're gonna do just a regular walk just to cool down. And fast. Last one, make it a good one. Go, go, go. And a regular walk. Good stuff. So, I highly recommend trying to do a workout like this just in your regular everyday stuff. If you're going for a walk out on the street, you know, going anywhere, just try and do some interval training. Just pick it up a little bit and slow it down. You will definitely burn more calories. Okay, taking a deep breath in and breathing out. Slowing that pace down a little bit. We want to try and get that heart rate down. Let's just swing the arms back and forth gently. Okay, let's just finish with bringing our toes out to the side. Okay, back to just a regular walk. Tapping the toes forward. So just allow your arms to swing back and forth. One more minute and you are all done. Back into a regular march. Bring our arms overhead, deep breath in, and big breath out. Again, deep breath in, and big breath out. And just walking for a little bit longer. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this workout. If you haven't subscribed, please think about subscribing and hit that subscribe button. There's a little bell beside it. It's your notification bell. If you press that bell, it'll tell you, you'll get a notification whenever there are new classes that come up. So my classes really vary. I do walking videos that are a little bit more challenging than this one. And then I also do some seated classes, and I'm just starting a series with my dad, who is 73. So the classes are all different. You just have to pick and choose which ones work best for you. But I hope some of these are working for you. And thank you so much for joining me. I wish you a great day. If you want to do some stretching, I'll include a stretching class up here in the corner. Or you can check out the playlist that I have. So if you go to the playlist under my page, you will find the different classes and the different lists that work best for you. Okay, thanks so much. Take care. Have a great day.